Hello friends, let's discuss how crude oil and natural gas is formed. Crude oil is a naturally occurring mixture of hydrocarbons which is basically found under the ground. It is highly viscous liquid which can be thick tar-like substance also, and its color varies from light yellow to dark brown to dark black. Crude oil is basically formed from the remains of dead organisms such as algae and zooplanktons. So basically it is dead marine plants and animals which existed millions of years back, and when they got buried under the sea environment, over the years these remains were buried deeper and deeper under sediments and organic materials, so which created enormous pressure and high temperature. So oxygen was cut. So in the absence of oxygen, bacterial decomposition of this oxygen matter was not possible. So with lack of oxygen, enormous pressure and high temperature, this organic matter, it got converted into the waxy substance called kerogen via process called diagenesis. And when it got more deeper, when the depth got around 2 kilometers to 4 kilometers, the temperature rose more, and it was between, when it reaches above 90 degrees Celsius and 160, between 90 and 160 degrees Celsius, this kerogen is transformed into oil and natural gas via a process called ketogenesis. And at the temperature higher than 160 degrees Celsius, only natural gas was formed. When this oil and natural gas is formed, it is less dense than the water, so it traveled upwards through the cracks and the gaps in the shell until it reaches a impermeable rock where it cannot travel upwards. So it formed the reservoir over there. So this is the only place where it got trapped. Now when it is explored and discovered after drilling, we get the crude oil and natural gas from this reservoir only. Now the average depth from where the crude oil is found is around 6,000 feet, and it can reach up to 11,000 feet also. In earlier days, we got the crude oil at around 3,000 to 3,500 feet only. The top 5 crude oil producing countries today are United States, Saudi Arabia, Russia, then Canada, and then China. Now how much oil is left? If we consume the oil at today's pace and we consider all the proven stocks and reserves, then only 48 years of oil is left. So it is a non-renewable source. We have to use it very wisely so that we can take much benefit out of it. Thank you. That was all about crude oil.